viva! Viva! Msholozi, viva! Viva! Comrades, thank you so much for ukuthi sithole leli thuba size namhlanje. Ngi-acknowledge i-interim leadership esize nayo la ngikhona. The most important people namhlanje i-community yase Ward 14 size ne-leadership ye-Youth League from national, even from regional, size ne-interim regional structure, size ne-interim secretary. There are political things ezenzakalayo, and I understand Nina as AMA Ground Forces, we should be making sure that we take leadership a province where they are going. So I would want to address ama issues avelile ukuthi kubhlungu ukuthi kube nepropaganda nje ehamba iya phansi phezulu, and of which it causes unnecessary confusion and division kuma ground forces. Kune group ekhona leadership yase Ward 14, and nganthe ne chairperson ye Ward 14 ayifakwe kuleyo group eya establish amasenza ama by-elections since the beginning yama by-elections. Every time kuna national election manager, provincial interim manager, the interim regional, the detachment, and then kune sub-region, kune ward. Kuleyo group leyo. That's where we start. Now we declare our election elders. IEC ufaka i-declaration, especially after the passing of the candidate. Uyasithumelela i-declaration ukuthi nawo ama-election. With these ones, azange basithumelele on time. Kwavele nje kwavela pututu, sekuya-register. And when uComrade Njabulo asibhalela as-detachment ukuthi kunama-registration, it was like unbelievable. Mangicheka nale PLC ehlala for all the parties ukuthi, but why are you not sending us a schedule? Basithumelela even after the registration, which we said to uComrade Njabulo as the person who dealer nge-issues organization. Can you make sure that, okay, you represent us because you are there? Now the interim election team, ni make sure ukuthi niyagada kumzini. ANC, normally they will pass in people from other wards to come, and then kungenzeki lokho. Nana mase kuyo-register online, be vigilant with people abangahlali kule ward banga-register. Kwadlula ke sayithola ke leyo program. In that group kula sishare khona i-schedule list ukuthi ama-registration anini, candidate fanele register objector, candidate register nini, closing date is 24 on Monday, and then after that kuzovulwa for ama-special votes for laba abaye emakhaya, for laba abazongena e-station ngelanga lama-special vote, which is the 15th. Nasiqeda leyo process bazosithumelela yona, sizoba ne-voters roll yakhona from there. So leyo group, that's where we discuss election things. Kube buhlungu ukuthi kuleyo group nakubhalwa kudiscuss ukuthi okay kwenzakalani bese kuba kwangathi kunama-sell out from abantu bakule basemkhona. And the way a council of elders bafundisi, I would urge you ukuthi let's not allow the spirit say division. Sibonile black people si divide kaningi. Ama Oppenheimers, Ruperts and everything, they've done it, they are still doing it. They are dividing us, funding smaller parties to divide this bigger Africa, looting our resources. Kubuhlungu ke ngibone mina nina nixosha umntwana wenu, abantwana benu, as if ngathi they are outcasts. Bafundisi nikhona nama elders. Omunye manje bacela umu-admit esibhedlela. So unfortunately, we are making the enemy to be excited. I think ngimentionile ba Council of Elders nalesikhathi manje nangithi ngiyeza ukuthi kube nezinkulumo ezimbi. You can't have umuntu womkhonto upresident angazi kusho wayengani le ndaba zama WhatsApp bafundisi ni number 3 after president. You are our counselors. Yini fanele nikhuze. You don't speak like that. Uyothukana ubiza umuntu futhi kube ne cyberbullying. Une crime esibiza ukuthi cyberbullying. Mawuzovuka ekseni wena uyathukana ngeVN uyavuka uyathukana. At the end of the day, the very same people bazivotela njani. Khona manje governing page for example uthola abo smash bagcoke ama t-shirt umuntu uzophansi ngomkhwebane phansi khwebane this umkhwebane waziwa worldwide, not even South Africa. Then uqala labo bantu bazosithatha serious. What does that mean when others are coming to you nasine ATM lapha athi hayi nasengibuyile mina nganginikezwa ama 2000 ukuthi ngithuke, because WhatsApp is a tool of the enemy. President ushilo wathi this is a tool yokusdivide. MK face all these challenges. So unfortunately ke kubhlungu ukuthi nina nizothatha the information ningakezwa mina directly ukuthi ngithi kunosibu angazo fukhona ebekananda bhala ku group le province ngim-answer ngithi no, there's no such, but this is the correct information, because I think it's an issue esifesayo ukuthi ANC will never want us to win. DA, GNU, all other parties, they would actually a white person won't have your interest at heart. So Tina's promoting that spirit. So the issue yokuthi why singezanga ngama registration, that was the misunderstanding. But kwaba ukuthi I kune person of detachment or ananzwa national through the proper processes agayo attend. So and then after that ukuba reminder ke kule group, and that group was only meant to make sure that Mazibuko si assista si ku back end. And mama raised a very important thing ukuthi nini 114 kwenzakalana ucancela wenu ofanele enze all those things. Ngizwila ngithi i-councilor lethu preparation to 2026 namanje i-councilor kunama requirements nababangena ku political education besidila ngayo njengoba ngeke kube ne-councilor esizomfaka lapha othukanayo usuku nemini, councilor ozabadakwa, councilor ozabe anje. You understand? Because akuyovota i-Ward 14 yomkhonto, yovota everyone outside. Manje thina nasiloko ke thina sipha i-enemy all this information bazosithatha njani serious, vela ngeke basivotele. But then I think those were the unnecessary propaganda nje ukuthatha information ediscussayo ukuthi kube ne structure, ngoba sikwazi phela ukuhlakazeka kungabi nokuthi as a chairperson or these 8 people angeke sikwazi ukuthi sireach all the 17 sub-regions 401 ward. Nasikhuluma nge-ward eyi-1 kunama interest wa all those. So sikhona ukuthi sincedisaneni uku-oversee that was only meant to do that ukuthi abasemkhona nakekelani lapho nis-overseele the process. So indaba ubalo yokuthi azange asayi-unpack eMpumalanga ukuthi kuthiwa hayi uluza ama-election vele nalamanga ngitshela wona ukuthi mina ngishintsha ama-candidates. Throughout, it's people choosing their own candidate. I can't do that. Umkhonto uclear. Eward 18 people bazichuzela, Eward 31 bazichuzela, Eward 6 lesabi bazichuzela, eKrili bazichuzela. Ibile sabi I was not even there. Bekaku regional ubuyehlanzeni. Yibe bebarana the process and then benza sure ukuthi ikhansela lithanda. And then eKrili the same thing nase governing big. And then they run with the process because people must choose. Unfortunately, Gula, the ANC is interfere corner, who responsible for the police national. Uguti, how are we going to change that? But I must indicate Uguti, Guwa wonke lama words, lama by elections. Because now the agenda yagabani ye enemy to make sure Uguti to discredit this chairperson and the provincial detachment who die by a loser. But if you check Ward 18, yes, the performance was terrible, but then increment here by 10%. Ward 31 increment here by 18%. Ward 6, I think it be lower, 3%. Emalahleni, Ward 26 siluzile, but what did we do? Says the cancel ibehang. So that's the power of umkhonto wesizwe. Ukuthi the numbers have increased, asikayiwini, but sibenze ukuthini kube ihang municipality. Governing Mbeki, we didn't win, but then again the numbers as they are showing, it was terrible there. Ukuthi you can't have a by-election of Ward 14 mapillion. Bese nina ngoba nina nine issue nge-detachment niyokwenza i-celebration of Ward 8. Then people banthatha njani? And then bese nifike Ward 8 nina nihlobisile niyakhuluma i-councillor noma khona, but nikhuluma ngomkhwebane ne-leadership. Uyokhuluma ngomnisi, like I'm just saying, umnisi uya lapha uyohlambalaza isibongo sakamnisi. Uthi yabona mina ubaba mvele sidakwa, ngifuna ngenze. Then ucoma ukubasa hloniphane nabakamnisi. Exactly. Now, if people bathengwe i-ANC ukuthi njengoba shilo nalama candidate nasiwakhetha thina sicabanga umphakathi uvotile eGovernor Mbeki, there were two people, the one who was succeeder, the lady wagcina yena ke ayohlala phansi, and then ke athi abantu bam abavoti. Uyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani? Amama bangavoti kwaba nama allegations ukuthi is, but they pay them. Nina, you might be innocent. eGovernor Mbeki eCree kuspendwe 71,000 ebuya legislature, and kwa make sure ukuthi i-chairperson ne-detachment ne-treasure as participate lapho. Wenzani lokho? Imali ayiphi ama-volunteers ukudla, akuna i-transport, I see enough yokulanda ama-voters and all those. Ukuhlangahlanganisa nje, and especially before the elections. Bese kwenzakalani? I-blame kuba ukuthi hayi chairperson yena uluzi. But how do I have any impact on that? Governing Mbeki kuluzwe 60,000. Again, the members of legislature, mama, I don't have control over ukuthi uba nami ngifike fanele imkhondo ibe nama delegates legislature, not only imkhondo. iGarisibande is leading, but ayinabantu remember, in terms of the three regions, yes, in terms of the three regions, it had a leader because of Mkondo. So that's why I don't have the control over Tubani or Fagwa. That is a decision yaga president. And the president Yabasno, Uguti Site, that legislature in a 9 members. And out of the 9 members, Sabele Satige, Mobas Bandana Womuto Yuan. Asihlapuleleni lentete ibe equal mina ngangithe akube 333 uyayibona ngoba is 9 positions leyo ke decision yakabani ye national and nama officials. So that was what we agreed on. Indaba ke yaka comrade Yende uyaseva ku interim ye additional ye regional. Indaba ka Yende yokuthi ngize ngithi it's because we only appointed the sub-regional election interim leaders. But I say interim. Ama-regional, sathi awame, sizowa reconsider. Either none of us have interviewed, but if they are fine and indeed the region or the sub-region is fine with them, then we proceed now. So we have a role which we appreciate it, but hence I was saying that, and that must be approved by the detachment and especially the chairperson. So I mentioned it in that aspect. Magaidlali role is fine. So I see now the report is submitted, your budget. Inkinga ekhona, okay, Governing Mbeki, kube nokuthi 60,000 is spent, imali inikezwe people as the leadership sibekelwe aside. That's a challenge ekhona la ukuthi imali ye legislature yaphuma iye kuma comrades we detachment abasidistancile from the detachment because they've written letters, especially uNkuna bano AP basidistancer kwi-detachment, but imali bayikhipha through bona. Ama-volunteers akakahle. Kuba nje that thing yokuthi everything is not okay. I mentioned it ku-comrades basemkhondo, masise Governing Bay, ngathi nabeza lapha Ward 14, make sure ukuthi you can't uthengela ama-volunteers, bile bebangathengela ama-volunteers, comrade. Bekunama-VDI3, bathengela only 10 ama-party agents. Agree, babathi bazoprovide ukudla for 200 volunteers and then nama-party agents. No 200 volunteers aid, no transport and everything. Governing Bay, the same thing happened, 2 rolls, 3 rolls, the salad. And then also start to spend over 23,000. So those are the things nina definitely be careful ngazo. Ngoba manje issue la, people are making money at your expense. You understand? Emkhondo na budget ngiyayibona isubmitiwe up to 156,000. Well, that's what Tina Ward 18 and Ward 31 on the same day sathola imali through National Assembly. Leso sikhathi singacontrol imali kusese no comrade uMary. It was only 20,000 as I told, but then everyone wa manage ukudla. Saya Isabi, I think around that. Really, we were not part of that because basically use imali legislature, 71,000, but people never ate 60,000 Governing. So la ngibona kufakwe ibudget 156,000. So Council of Elders nabantu basemkhondo fanele nina ke not basemkhondo be Ward 14. Ni make sure ukuthi these things I was telling uThandeka Governing Bay ukuthi ukuthenga inkomo ihlatshwe for the 2 weeks, udliwa ama volunteers ayibenza ama door to door, babuye badle until first day and second day. Mara la ngibona nibhale 3 days, I don't know why, 15 to 17 ngoba nge-16 holiday, but ke kufakiwe ama special vote nge-16 angithi njalo nge-15 then nge-16 akwenzeki into, but la nifakile i-door to door ngeke yenzeka ngithi kuvalwa a day before the elections. So ngibona kubudgetelwe lokho. And then no, that's what Pele legislature possibly will be paying. Ngiyabona nifakile nokudla nama elders nama gazebo nako konke. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. We need to then make sure ukuthi nina everyone kune transparency there niya participate. And then ngiyayizwa ke le yokuthi uComrade Bongani uyangimention sivumelene naye ukuthi njengoba zibuka ashila ukuthi angithi benisho abanye benu ukuthi inkatshwe nangamatshe and whatever, all the things are out there. Yebo, but that's the caliber of people eninabo ngoba lezi zinto lezi zingena kulama social. Everything is there, everyone. Abantu balaba basho njalo sifuna akangezi uyaluza wenzani. So namanje there's an issue ukuthi okay akanga participate and all those. What we will do Tina ukuthi sivumelene no comrade Baloyi ukuthi yena nethimba le region nethimba le sub region ingazike ngoba naku ke u comrade Nkosi is one of the sub regional people and ugu MPLC as well. But that letter is a fraudulent letter. Okay, all right. Whoever resigning there is fine. No, we will get somebody efanele simregister for Uguti from Kondo, not 114, from Kondo. Uguti on Monday are registering a candidate. 1,000 rand and all the requirements of finalizing. And then sub-region, they what? No election manager. Baza run the whole process. So Tina si province uzas contact yena elections manager, provincial national election manager. Okay, province, we need this because see province, Council of Elders, asina any resources. Tina. Members of legislature ahambile wona vula ama-account, they control, they do everything. So siyabonga ama-t-shirts azoshiwa ku-council, everyone wabonile we-councillor candidate, and then ke nale mali nayiphuma yena uzasebenza nale team. But we are hopeful ukuthi this time ama-volunteers bazoba nokudla, ama-t-shirts azoba khona, bafakile nama-posters. If bawabhadala ngale mali ngibona babhale 150, then ikazafakwa. But then if ngabe bekuyi-national, because the other by-election i-national yayisupporta nga-500 yama-poster nama-pamphlets, but ngoba already i-province njalo i-legislature can avail some money. At first we were struggling because of the former party leader lapha e-legislature. So now laba baya-availa, but though baya-availa to the people who are not supposed to be, but yena uzasebenza nabo. And then ke kutholakala ama-poster, kutholakale ke nokudla, and then kutholakale na-more t-shirts if the t-shirts are there. So inking nendaba, because normally what we budget ukuthi ngelanga lama-special vote kuba nama-name, like nakunama VDI 3 la kune VDI 1. Ema VDI 3 tokuthi each car ithelelwe petrol ye 500, and then the e-hailing baki iyabizwa, possibly ke if kuyimali engako mhlambe bayifake a week or whatever, nayiza ke e-haile. Normally e-hailing izabe charge aboma when imkhonje sekudeni from there, but if bathatha mhlambe zase KZN izaba seduze, abanye ba charge aboma 3,000 rands per day because basuke ekudeni. So mhlambe kuzabonakala ukuthi kuchargewa malini. But then again nakunjalo ngelanga le vote nakunama VDI 3, each VD ine taxi yayo. Le lama sheets lawa are very important. Ngalelo la ngake sinama contact sinama sheet, then yiwo ke siya ngawo ke emzini. Uyasikhumbula ngene uyovote. That's what we need to be doing. So imoto zizabe kusho kunalezi is a special vote ezihamba ne-IEC in the morning, and then isithelwe petrol bese kuba nalezi ke zale langa lokuvota amakhumbi normally because our tax bese ayo pick up again endlini. So la it's very easy because if VDA 1 and nama numbers now to 900, then it's very easy. Abaningi bazasifikela lapha voting station. And then I hope I've clarified everything. And then national elections manager izabe kungiyo ke thina sizathola i-feedback kuye yena uzasitshela ke ngoba if kungafuneki sub-regional, kungafuneki i-regional ne-detachment, we will get that feedback. And hence I said la I'm coming kusempumalanga. President Zuma said I must be anywhere, which is not any no-go area, because that's what I came. Nanoma ke bazonkapa ngamatshe bazabe bankapa upresident abhekile, which but there's evidence to that, and that's the evidence engizoyisebenzisa ukuthi ngivumele u-national elections manager yazi ngifuna ukuthini, ngifuna ukutshengisa ukuthi how damaging what you are saying to the public is, ne? Because the issue ukuthi kufanele ngishiswe mina. That one ngiyayazi, no not at all. Yasempumalanga. Ukuthi propaganda. I have evidence today. So leyo evidence ukuthi kufanele ngishiswe. Okay, mina I have that evidence. That's why I'm showing the evidence, ma'am. So that's why that's also, but I have evidence to that.
Comrade, uchairperson sasekuphodium sizonikeza isikhathi ukuthi zami sokumprotect usasekuphodium. Yes, mara usasekuphodium uchairperson. Yes, sizonikeza izandla.
That is dangerous.
Ma comrade. umuntu omdala.
Nalo evidence. I have the evidence. Ngiyazi bengifuna ukuthini mfundisi. Ngishela ukuthi nasekubuza ukuthi wena wahlalela muva why allow and there's evidence nalabe nithi basebenza ne-ANC ne ngiyayicela mina leyo evidence singavale sikhulume kuphela ni produce leyo evidence and umuntu vele kudilwe ngaye i-evidence eproducewayo because mina I do have that evidence. You understand? The case ivuliwe, the protection order ivuliwe. So that's why ngifuna ukuthi nathi asenzeni njalo. But mina I'm still saying bafundisi nama elders, you need to make sure ukuthi unqamalala because now unqamalala is exposed umkhonto wesizwe in such particular issues. So that was my information engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi ke ngizodedela emuva si allow i-National Elections Manager idile ngale matter. So kwamanje ke si ready ukuthi sizahamba ne-councillor siye emphakathini senze futhi more door to door because senze 64 kuphela la sisesena more yes ngizasinikeza and then sibone ukuthi siphusha njani but we are there, we will support you. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu comrade. Bona ngathi